Hello and welcome to another video project on Alfa Restoration YouTube channel. Today we will deal with a project already known from the Alfa 33. The rear windscreen on the Alfa 147 has developed water leaks which are evident during heavy rainfall. The leaks most probably originate from poor glue adhesion. Therefore, removing the windscreen is the only way to have everything checked and properly repaired. Let's get this project started. Start by removing the wiper blade arm and the plastic cover. The boot lid cover has already been removed, so that access to the wiper arm motor is easier. Just remove the 3 screws, the fluid hose and the wiring connector, and the wiper arm motor is out. The electric glue cutter is employed so that the initial cut is done, and then the wire tool is used to carefully cut through the glue. This is a procedure which requires 2 persons and patience.
Κάνει διαφορετικές προτελαβάει.
Αυτό είναι καλύτερο όμως.
Και το κουμπό μόνο είναι για. Τι γίνεται. Περνώ.
The remainings of the glue are removed using a blade scraper. We need to have as much material as possible removed so that the fresh glue properly adheres to the boot lid frame. Also, primer is applied to the frame. do the same for the glue remainings found on the windscreen. It's no wonder why water leaks have been happening, as the glue has lost its properties. Apply primer to the windscreen and once dry, apply the glue. The windscreen is installed, the gaps checked and the wiper motor restored to the original position.
Well, another project has been successfully completed. The conclusion is that materials do age and implications like water leaks in our case will incur no matter the vehicle manufacturer or brand. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video project, which has to do with the fuel injection system on the Alfa 147 and more specifically troubleshooting high idle revs.